Hey, Paul from thetechgeeks.com. Quick update to this video. A few people have pointed out that IPS doesn't always run in both directions, certainly on some of the Ubiquiti stuff. So we need to do this as a download. And so to do that, we want to be able to use the -R command to give us a full test. So I thought I'd just quickly redo this with using this as a download option just to show you the difference. So we're going to go with the UDM Pro first, only testing this on the 10 gig so you can get a true idea of the throughput. So let's just quickly set this up on the UDM Pro and we'll be able to then run the test. Okay, so here we go with 10 streams on here doing a download. And you can see that we're sitting there at about 2.7, 2.8 gigabits a second. Which is fairly solid. We'll just try and push the number of streams up a little bit to 20 just to see if we can use it a bit more. Yeah, so we're hitting 3.4, 3.5, still a good stream speed. Let's just try again and see. Let's just push this up once that's just done that. Let's just try 30, might be too many. But again, still a pretty good speed. Yeah, so we're hitting there, well, just hitting just over 4 gigabits a second there on the UDM Pro using the download test, and that should be igniting the IPS engine more clearly. So let's just swap that over and we'll do that on the UDM-SE. Okay, so let's do that. Same test again. 10 streams with the UDM-SE. 3.9, 4 gig. Let's again just push the streams up. So that we can just see here the result as we start to saturate that 10 gig connection. Again, 3.6, just over 4. Again, still solid speed, even with that engine running properly. All right, and let's just push that up to 30, which is pretty much, by the looks of it, our saturation point here. So again, UDM-SE, pretty much similar to UDM Pro. Seeing just over 4 gigabits a second as our maximum throughput. Obviously, it does oscillate. We do expect that because Intrusion Prevention is trying to read those packets. Should give you an idea. Let's swap that over to the Pro-Max and see where we go from there. Okay, so I've just switched over to the UDM Pro-Max on its 10 gig interface. So let's just run this with 10 streams. Give us an idea of what that's going to sit at. Obviously, we do see the fluctuation of speed as Intrusion Prevention works out whether it needs to do anything with it or not. 4.29, 4.4. So again, pretty solid speed for this device. Push it up to 20 streams. And we'll just see, I think this is probably the saturation point. I don't think we're going to see anything potentially any faster running through this. So again, we can see that 4.59, probably about the fastest we can see. We'll just run this, 4.62, just run this at 30 just in case we can just push a bit more traffic through, but I have a suspicion that 20 was pretty much our max. So 4.38, again, there we go, let's just see 4.39, so pretty good. So hopefully that's been useful as we look at the UDM Pro, the UDM-SE, and the UDM Pro-Max as pulling data through those. Just obviously with network running, no PPPoE. So this is just going to be if you can plug your Ethernet or your SFP pluses directly into your ISP. But hopefully that gives you an idea of the speed we can get this way round as well. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. Plenty more performance reviews over there. Subscribe and stay up to date.